Hey guys, this is Ahmed here, and I have just checked into the Four Seasons Hotel on Embarcadero. There are two Four Seasons hotels in San Francisco now, which is the one on Market Street, which is the one that I knew of, and there's the second one on Embarcadero, which used to be the Mandarin Oriental Hotel, and they just converted it over to the Four Seasons back in 2020. And I wanted to show you guys this incredible view. So I'm in like a sky bridge right now, and right behind me is the Salesforce Tower. And then if I turn around here, you can see Transamerica, you can see the bay, and let me show you how awesome the room that I got. So let me flip this over. And they said that they upgraded my room. So let's go and see what this is about. Little coffee machine, Nespresso. And look at this. This looks pretty amazing as is. And you've got this really nice bathroom with a shower and tub. And this huge window. So let's see what we see out this window. Oh, look. It's the Bay Bridge, which is pretty amazing. This is a crazy view. I'm up on 44th floor. And then as we're going over, holy cow, this has the Transamerica Pyramid, and covered in the fog is the Golden Gate Bridge, if you can see just past there. So my room actually has views of both the Golden Gate Bridge and the Bay Bridge. So again, king size bed, we've got the little desk. But yeah, this hotel is awesome. From what I heard, the rooms in the Market Street address are pretty small, but this one is just huge. But look at this view. It's incredible.
And one of the cool services that they have here is that they actually will give you postcards for the city that you're in, and they'll mail it out for you, which is really cool. So again, the postcards that they gave are one of the Golden Gate Bridge, one of Golden Gate Park, and another one of the Painted Ladies. Again, very local to San Francisco. And I am going to write the postcards out to my kids in Minnesota, and I'm gonna actually mail them out. So this is the little post box where you actually can put these postcards in, and they will take care of the mailing for you, which is a pretty nice service. So I put that in here. Boom, done. On your way.